Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use conditional logic in ManyChat to create smart, dynamic responses that change based on your user's actions. This is perfect for creating personalized experiences on autopilot. First, go to your ManyChat dashboard and click Automation, then Sequences. Click Create Sequence to start a new one. Set up a trigger. This could be a keyword like pricing or when someone subscribes. Now, add your first message. After that, click the plus sign to add a new step. Instead of a simple message, look for the condition step. It might be called if SPLIT or conditional logic. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. You'll set a rule. For example, if custom field product interest equals SEO, you can use custom fields like tags, user info, or even previous interactions. Under that condition, you add the message or action for users who meet that rule. So, you could send them specific information about SEO services that then, you can add another condition for a different value. Like if product interest equals web design, and send a different message. Finally, add a default message for anyone who doesn't match your conditions. This way, one single keyword can trigger multiple personalized paths based on what you already know about the user save and activate your flow. Now test it out by triggering the keyword from a test profile with different custom fields set. And that's it. You're now using conditional logic to make your chatbot much smarter. If you set up a cool conditional flow, let us know what it does in the comments. See you in the next one.